way from Bennett's Cove, Newfoundland, and we have a female, Melissa Blackwood, driving a 2002 Pontiac Sunfire, and she's sponsored by Shoreline Club, April Fresh Laundromat, and the Paint Shop. Let's hear it up for Melissa Blackwood. Next we have number 00, Josh Fry from Gander, Newfoundland, driving a 1985 Cadillac sedan. Let's hear it up for Josh Fry. Next we have from Summerside, Newfoundland, Great Party, driving a 1989 Dodge Shadow. And Greg is sponsored by City Tire and Auto, Royal Automotive, Beerway Honda, Hartford's Glass, Gary Lynn. Okay, and we have another old town boy. All the way from driving the 2005 Hyundai Accent, number 11 from Gillham's, Newfoundland, sponsored by Unique Heating and Ventilation, Metal Specialties. Let's hear it up for Mark Frank.